Hi guys, welcome to Insight Lab. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Here, question number 1 to 6, we are discussing of subject of library and information science. So that you can see there are 6 questions in this paper. First questions about first, second, and third questions all are from 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5, which are from 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is 500 words question. So if you want these answers, so you can contact us anytime, and if you need any other help, we are here for help you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video, and if you have other queries, you can contact us anytime.